Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So ngizokhuluma ngodaba labani lana. Ngizokhuluma ngodaba lika Neo Mayema. Neo Mayema ke iMamelodi Sundowns namhlanje ivuke ekseni angazi bekwenze njani. Angazi nje bekwenze njani. Yavuka ekseni ngo6 phela thina siphuma ekseni ke mesivuka. Yavuka ekseni ngo6 iyaposta lathi uNeo Mayema useshile kweMamelodi Sundowns. Yabo bamfisela okuhle kwifuture yakhe. Khumbulani ke phela indaba ade isekhulitha thiwa iMamelodi Sundowns ifuna ukumlona umjida imlone kwiSimba SC. Engawuthi leyo deal ke ayibanga right umjida ufunile ukuhamba kweMamelodi Sundowns afunanga ukuyojoin iSimba but cha ufuna ukuyishiya iMamelodi Sundowns. Right now Neo Mayema uyi-free agent after 4 years with iMamelodi Sundowns uwina amaligi ayi4 wawina iNedbank Cup ayi4 wawina iMTN 8 wawina angifuna ukuyibali EFL nje angazi fana njengestake waba nama appearances awu120 washaya amagoli awu13 nama assist ayi14 jabo iMamelodi Sundowns iyambonga ngempela for i-contribution ayiletha kwi-club. Yazi i-career yebhola islima kakhulu yabo i-career yebhola kunezinto abadlali abaningi abangayinaki kunezinto abadlali abaningi abazenzayo like ibuye ngixayo kahle ngempela why wayenza le nto le. Yes, he's a great guy. I don't wanna lie, he's a great footballer. Umshidi uyalazi ibhola. Don't wanna lie. Uyalazi ibhola even though sometimes indlela ayiphatha ngakhona yabo uvela zenze ngathi uMessi sometimes mekhuluma. Angazi ngikhumbula kahle la there was an interview ewayibuzwa khona uthi kahle wena ngokwakho do you see yourself playing for ama team asesowethu amakhulu? Wathi yena ngokwakhe akayiboni edlalela ama team asesowethu especially Orlando Pirates. Akayiboni nje size samncane sakhula akayiboni edlalela Orlando Pirates abantu bakubo bonke ba support iPirates yena nje ngokwakhe akayiboni support iPirates yena inhliziyo yakhe ekwiMamelodi Sundowns and uhappy kwiMamelodi Sundowns. Ekhuluma nje ukhohliwe ukuthi kwi-contract right now iMamelodi Sundowns imkhahlelile cause ubefuna phela ukulona imkhahlelile iSundowns right now umjida uyi-free agent. Umbuzo enginawo ukuthi uzoyapi right now. Kaizer Chiefs might join Kaizer Chiefs iwindi lisavuliwe bafethu ama-team amaningi afuna ukusayina abadlali. Stellenbosch, I don't know, maybe a good choice for Neo Mayema. I don't know, maybe that seems like a downgrade to me if you ask me, but ke umjida I don't think he's looking for imali right now. I don't think he's looking for a big team. I think he still have 3 seasons in him. 3 seasons or 4 seasons angazi, but umjida I think usengayidlalela i-team esile ngempela la uphethe Premiership, but ke angazi ukuthi usengazama yena after lezi zinto azenza. Do you think Orlando Pirates sengazama kodwa ukuthi ima-approach umjida, but I don't think yena ngokwakhe uzovuma. Mhlambe phela abadlali bayakhohlwa but ke angazi but for me ngeke ngijabule mase ayijoin Orlando Pirates mekwenzeka ke zenzeka izinto because you never know ibhola leli yaginqika yabo lento le naye wayesho maybe 2 or 3 years ago ibhola leli yaginqika, anything can happen, but ke it's up to him maybe joining Kaizer Chiefs, but ngokwakhe wathi ama-team asesowethu nje naku sambona uPaseka Marco wayijoin iKaizer Chiefs. Paseka Marco is a big time Orlando Pirates fan, same as uMonyane, but they joined Kaizer Chiefs. They joined the Kaizer Chiefs, but anything can happen. Let angisho Paseka Marco iPirates yokuqina le, iPirates yokuqina benoMonyane. uMonyane nje hamba kwi-page le Pirates abule la Monyane la Instagram uzobona lapho utheke izithombe zakhe ezu3 ephethe indebe zeOrlando Pirates ewina neOrlando Pirates. Ngeke mhlawumbe ufake mhlawumbe isithombe sakho game yokuqala udlalela iChiefs angazi nje uyayithanda iPirates, but ke anything can happen ebholeni ngisasho namanje. Neo Mayema might join team enkulu maybe, I don't know, but for me I don't think umjidi uyadeserve ukujoin iPirates after what he said, bruh. I don't know.